Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Farah. We talk about building business on Amazon on this channel. If you're interested in that, then please do subscribe. So in today's video, I want to talk about my goals that I'm setting for myself for 2021 because we're almost at the end of this, crazy year. Let's get started. So anyway, I wanted to share with you guys some of my goals for 2021 because we're almost at the end of this year, which has been remarkable for all of us in different ways. A lot has happened in this year. So I want to talk about my goals for 2021, specifically 5 things that I want to achieve, and they are sort of a broad goals. And I wanted to sort of document them and talk about them so you guys, my subscribers, know what I'm going to be up to and what's coming up next year on this channel. So number one thing on my list is to launch my skincare product. It is very special to me because, for one, it's made in the UK. I sourced it locally, it's manufactured in the UK, and it's a natural skincare product, and I'm very proud of it. And finally, it's coming in next few weeks. I just got the email today from the manufacturer that they are ready to ship. So I just want to work on a launch plan for it. My plan for this product was to launch it as an FBA product, but I am going to just sort of build the listing while fulfilling myself because I have a seller fulfilled Prime. And so I want to sort of build the listing first and then maybe move it to FBA towards, after Valentine's Day or maybe. So that's on the plan. Number one goal is to launch my first skincare product line. I did the whole product research for this a couple of months ago, so you can go watch it on my channel. It'll be in my previous videos. So I did the whole skincare beauty line product research, and then I'm interested in that myself, so I started looking into sourcing something from the UK. And make sure you guys subscribe to this channel so you can watch this unfold next year as I launch. Obviously, I will be documenting all of that, how I'm going to market the product line, and it's the first product, so at the moment it's only one product, but I do want to expand it. So I will be documenting that, and obviously there will be some PPC tutorials coming, so make sure you subscribe. Next goal is I want to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of the new year, so you guys can help me achieve that. And it's like you guys will be sending me a little gift. If you've just found my channel, I've just mentioned that this is about building business on Amazon. Please hit subscribe and stick around because a lot of exciting stuff is coming on this channel, and especially related to online business and building business on Amazon. So help me achieve this milestone for this channel. I started this channel in March 2020, really started posting on it from this year in the lockdown because since 2017, I have been working to fix my marketing problems in my business, and I've spent a lot of money with different freelancers and agencies and, everything. I've tried a lot of different things. I have learned a lot as well in this process, some very expensive lessons. So that's why I started this channel, because I wanted to experiment with certain things and just see how this stuff works. And the biggest lesson from all of this trial and error over the past 3 years, and after starting my YouTube channel, is that if you want to have an online business, you have to know, it is essential that you know how to drive traffic on the internet, from YouTube to your blog, or from YouTube to your product page, from Instagram to your YouTube, all of this stuff, you have to know. And then you have to know what end you're trying to achieve, what is your goal for all of that. Because one thing I didn't know is that people just turn up for a search term on Google or on YouTube or on Instagram. On Instagram it's called a hashtag, so people turn up for those things, and then they catch somebody's eye, whether it's a service or a product, and that's how people drive traffic around. And so if you don't know how this thing works, then you can't set goals for your social media manager, or you don't know what is worth spending money on. Should you do Facebook ads, or should you just put a marketing video on YouTube and try to drive organic traffic to your product page? So it's a lot of different lessons that I learned, and I didn't know any of this. So that's why I wanted to like experiment with YouTube this year. I'm trialing a lot of different theories that I have, and I'm just trying a lot of different things, so I know how things work. So then when I go to hire somebody, I know what I want them to do, and if they're not doing the job, then I can get rid of them quickly and hire the next person. My third goal for 2021 is that I want to launch a couple of fitness FBA products. I have always wanted to do them, and even before I wanted to start this channel, and then this channel came in and they sort of like went to the back seat. I'm just like contacting the manufacturers. I haven't followed through because I've been so busy, trying to build up this channel. So I want to take the next 2 weeks off. So there won't be any new video next week or the following week, and I will be back with a new video on the 8th of January. I want to take this time off to contact the suppliers and follow through and actually place some orders for my fitness products, because I really wanted to try that out and I haven't actually invested time into it. And I wanted you guys to know that this will be my last video for 2020, and I need to take some time off and sort some things out behind the scenes so I can be consistent in 2021. So the goal for 2021 is to launch a couple of fitness products. I just want to test things out, so that will be happening on this channel. I will be documenting that, but for me to document that, I actually need to place some orders, so I need to take some time off. The fourth thing on my list is to update my current brand, Swanky Swans Shopify store. In October, we did a professional photo shoot for my store, so I have all this content that has been professionally, shot and edited and everything, but I haven't actually scheduled or posted it anywhere. We haven't done a launch, or we haven't update the website as yet. So I want to get up to date with all of that stuff, redo the store and relaunch it, because we're hoping that as the vaccines being rolled out in the UK, people will start going out again, and once the winter is over, we're expecting February, March, we will start seeing some activity again on our Shopify store. It has been very slow up till now, so I want to do an update, a refresh from my Shopify store, and I need to give it some time. So that's another one of my goals for 2021, is to have it ready before the Valentine's promotional time. Fifth thing on my list is to be able to hire a video editor, because oh my god, this is time consuming. It takes me days to actually create a reasonable video that I'm happy to upload on YouTube. So I do need to hire somebody who can edit my videos for me, so I can get 2 days back of my work week, because I spend a lot of time editing on my phone. YouTube at the moment is just a testing ground for me. I'm just testing a lot of things, theories, ideas that I have, and I just want to execute them. I'm doing it. So I need to hire an editor who can take that workload off me, just help me take that time and be able to distribute the content that I have actually created, because I haven't posted on Instagram. I hardly post anywhere else. And again, it all comes down to be able to, drive the traffic to wherever your offer or service is, or wherever your product page is, whether it's on Amazon or on your Shopify store. You need to be able to drive traffic. And for that, you need to be able to post content on different social media channels. So that's what I need to sort out, like I said, sort out the mess behind the scenes, because I've been trying to do everything myself. And so I'm failing at other ends, and I'm not actually seeing the results that I can. So that's what is number 5 main goal on my list, is that to be able to hire some help so I can distribute my video content better. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I've been loving making YouTube videos and posting them here. I hope you guys have a nice break to enjoy your time off with family and friends, and I will see you guys in the new year. Make sure you guys subscribe so you don't miss out my new videos, and I will see you guys in the new year. Bye.